Hello, Alex Kolosko here from Photigy School of Photography. Today I wanted to tell you about our brand new Valentine's Day image contest, sponsored by our friends from beverages.com, the best online store for photographers. The contest is open to all photographers 18 years and older, not affiliated with Photigy team or B&H. To enter, you must create your best Valentine's Day themed still life product shot and submit it along with your lighting setup, guys, it's important, by the contest deadline. All the information below this video on description. You can shoot in a studio, outdoors or whatever, and you can include a person in the shot if it makes sense to do so, but the focus of your image should be on a product. We leave it to your imagination and creativity to decide on how to interpret the Valentine's Day theme. The judges will be evaluating creativity, technical execution, post-production and composition. Semi-finalist entries will be critiqued live online and the winner will be announced at that time by our judges. The winner will receive this awesome prize. So, what in this mysterious case? Guys, this is something. Bam! The winner will receive this amazing Venture TTL-600 battery-powered light by Impact, courtesy of B&H Photo Video. And this is an amazing light. Check out the unboxing so you'll see everything, what exactly inside and what winner will receive. This incredibly compact 600 watt-second TTL light is about the same size as, well, 70 to 100 millimeter lens, has 8 stop range with super fast flash duration and recycling time and great color accuracy. This is an amazing light for anyone who shoot outside, for action photographer, splash and everything. And make sure to check the link below so you can enter this contest. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you will create. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out all the great content that we produce every week. Happy Valentine's Day from all of us at Photigy and B&H Photo. See you next time. Pop. It's cool. It has LED in it and it's cool already.